In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a transparent background video from Premiere Pro using an alpha channel. If you're creating motion graphics, lower thirds, or logos that need to sit cleanly over other footage, this workflow preserves the transparency so you can layer your clip anywhere without a visible background. Start by opening the Export Settings window. Go to File, then Export, then Media. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+M on Windows or CMD+M on Mac to get there quickly. This is where all the key options live for creating a file that supports transparency. Under Format, choose QuickTime. The QuickTime container is important here because it supports high-quality codecs that carry an alpha channel, which is what makes transparency possible. Next, select your preset. Choose either GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha or Apple ProRes 4444. Both of these codecs support transparency and are widely accepted in professional workflows. If you don't see alpha-related options later, it usually means a different codec was chosen, so sticking to Cineform with alpha or ProRes 4444 is essential. Now move to Video Settings, set depth to 32-bit with alpha. That with alpha part is critical. It tells Premiere to include the transparency information alongside the color data. If 32-bit with alpha isn't available, double check that you're using one of the alpha-capable presets mentioned above. While you're here, confirm that your resolution and frame rate match your sequence. Keeping these consistent prevents unexpected scaling or timing changes. If your sequence is 1920 by 1080 at 23.976 frames per second, for example, make sure those exact values appear in the export settings before proceeding. Open the video codec settings and make sure Include Alpha Channel is enabled. This is the switch that actually embeds the transparency into your file. Without it, your video will export with a solid background, even if everything else is set correctly. When you're ready, move to the export section. Give your file a clear name and confirm the file extension is .mov, which is standard for QuickTime exports using these codecs. A .mov container ensures compatibility with the alpha-capable formats you selected. Finally, click Export. Premiere will render a high-quality file that preserves transparency, ready to drop over any background in your edit, motion graphics tool, or live production software.